I decided to update the kitchen and dining area to a farmhouse look. I did this on a budget using things I found at Michael's, Dollar Tree, Amazon, Home Depot, and Ross. I started by ordering some distressed wood-like peel and stick tiles from Home Depot. I applied them to the top of the stained dining room table. I then painted the back side of the cabinets white and added some wreaths I made from Dollar Tree and a framed gather sign from Ross. I glued wood pieces to the cabinet door of the breakfast bar to give it that barn door look. A self-adhesive towel bar at the end, gray bar stool cushions, and new drapes completed the look. In the kitchen, I switched out my Tuscany cookbook and Italian plate for a classic Betty Crocker cookbook, flour canister, crock pot, rolling pin, and a few Dollar Tree home decor pieces, like that rooster you see in the video. I also added a red farmhouse valance and utensil holder. I dug out my mom's old flour sifter, grater, potato masher, and sugar shaker to display on an old serving tray. All total, I spent $124.60. The self-adhesive wood tiles were the most expensive, but we are loving the new look.